Hello everyone! Today we are going on a wild adventure to learn about animal sounds and why animals make these sounds. Are you ready? Let's go! Here comes the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions make a sound called roar. Did you know that lions roar to show how strong they are and to tell other lions where they are? Did you hear that sound? It's a frog. Frogs make a sound called croak. Frogs croak to call their friends and sometimes to find their partner. Look at this giant friend. Elephants make a sound called trumpet. They make that sound when they are scared, excited, even when they are playing. Birds are here. Ooh. Birds make a sound called chirp. Birds chirp to communicate and to warn their friends about the danger. Such beautiful melodies. Did you hear that buzzing sound? It's a cicada. Cicadas make a sound called buzz. They buzz by vibrating their bodies, and usually it's male cicadas calling for a mate. Here comes our funny friend. Dogs make a sound called a bark or a woof. Can you bark like a dog? Dogs bark to say hi or to warn us about something dangerous or just because they are excited. But they are so loyal to us, aren't they? Do you have a dog? Post a picture in the comment section with their name. Oh, so cute! Kitty, 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 kitty. It's a cat. Cats make a sound called meow. And also they purr when they're so happy. Can you meow like a cat? Cats make these sounds to communicate and when they are super comfortable. They're so adorable, aren't they? If you have a cat, post a picture below. I love this animal. This is my favorite animal. Here's a horse. Horses make a sound called neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Horses neigh to greet each other or to say, I'm here. Wow, we've learned so many cool sounds today. Let's quickly review that. Lions, roar, frogs, croak, elephants, birds, cicada, dogs, cats, horses. Which one was your favorite? Leave a comment in the comment section.